Gandhi family loyalist Sam Pitroda has stepped down following the controversy over his racist remarks while referring to India's diversity. Now during an interview, he compared Indians from different parts of the nation to Chinese, Arabs, whites and Africans. Hours after the remarks triggered a political storm, leaving the Congress party embarrassed, Sam Pitroda stepped down as the chairman of the Indian Overseas Congress. Informing about the same, Congress's Jairam Ramesh wrote on social media that Pitroda has stepped down of his own accord and that his resignation has been accepted by the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. But let's first listen in to Pitroda's racist remarks.
We could hold country together as diverse as India, where people on East look like Chinese, people on West look like Arab, people on North look like, maybe white, and people in South look like Africa. We could hold country together as diverse as India, where people on East look like Chinese, people on West look like Arab, people on North look like, maybe white, and people in South look like Africa.
Now this shocker comes from Sam Pitroda, considered the friend, philosopher and guide to many within the Congress party. Just last month, during the inheritance tax row, Jairam Ramesh spoke highly of Pitroda, saying he has numerous contributions to India's development. This was said about the man who quoted one controversy after the other with his remarks. His recent pitch for US-style inheritance tax in India had triggered a political storm, with BJP citing it to claim that Congress wanted to take away people's wealth and give it to their vote bank. Last year in June, months before Ram Mandir inauguration, he had said that temples are not going to solve India's problems of unemployment, education and health. In fact, during the last general election too, Pitroda's "Hua the Hua" comment on 1984 anti-Sikh massacre had left the Congress party red-faced.
अब क्या है 84 का? बात तो करिए, आपने क्या किया 5 साल में, उसकी बात करिए। 84 में हुआ तो हुआ।
I don't know enough about the attacks. Okay, attacks happen all the time.
In America, there is an inheritance tax. You, in your generation, made wealth. You must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it. In India, you don't have that. Where people on East look like Chinese, people on West look like Arab, people on North look like, maybe white, and people in South look like Africa.